What we have here is a 7-pin remote control kit, complete with two-sided tapes and all the accessories that you need. Now I'm going to show you how to install. Very simple installation. You take the 7-pin controller and you plug it into your plug in the truck, your 7-pin plug. Now you take your trailer plug and plug it into the controller, and that's all there is to it. Now you take the strip and you have to put power to it because you got to connect it into your bag. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to use a battery strip, and as you see, it will turn the signals. It will go left, right, 4 ways, running lights and stop lights. And all you have to do is just you get that two-sided tape that's in there and stick it any way you want to stick it in your trailer. In the back, it goes up to 32 feet to the back. So this will control up to 6-7 strips like this. And that's how you install the 7-pin strip. Thank you.